happening in Karnataka. Amid buzz of a power tussle in Karnataka, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar held separate meetings with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Congress MP, Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Top sources tell Times Now that the cabinet reshuffle issue was raised and Rahul Gandhi was briefed on the Karnataka's political situation. Listen in to what the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka had to say.
Sir, recently you met Rahul Gandhi. Was there any discussion regarding the CM post?
I can't disclose all those things. It is not a public issue to be discussed. It is between me and the party high command and my Chief Minister.
Let's go across to my colleagues joining us live right now. We have Neha Hebale as well as Niyamika live with us. Neha, to you first. What happened in those meetings?
Well, in a very crucial meetings that were held in Delhi, the Deputy Chief Minister, who had a planned visit to Delhi, not shying away from saying that she was in fact in Delhi to only meet the High Command, along with discussing the Assam Screening Committee meeting that was held. Now, two was key aspects here of this meeting. One, the talks on the change of leadership, change of guard with the Deputy Chief Minister, of course, putting things into perspective for the High Command as to where things stand in the state. And of course, the second being the cabinet reshuffle that's been on the cards for quite some time now. Because remember, of course, it's been 2.5 years since the Congress government came to power in Karnataka, but there's not really been any major rejig in the cabinet so far, with many already pitching for themselves to be made ministers. These were the two aspects of the discussion.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs. And viewers, when Chief Minister Siddaramaiah was asked about the meeting, he said he didn't know anything about it.
Delhi ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ದೆಹಲಿ
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ
ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ದೆಹಲಿ
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು
ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ದೆಹಲಿ
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು
Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika for more on this. Niyamika, now that there has been a meeting that Mr. D.K. Shivkumar wanted with Rahul Gandhi for quite some time has taken place, can we expect some kind of a decision from the High Command on Karnataka power tussle?
Well, it is really interesting to see the way in which yesterday there is a brief conversation which had taken place between D.K. Shivkumar and Rahul Gandhi. As we also need to mention here that while on one side there was a brief discussion between Rahul Gandhi and D.K. Shivkumar, but there is a very long meeting which had taken place between the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka with the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. D.K. Shivkumar had arrived here in the national capital, being the senior observer for the state of Assam, as there was a meeting which had taken place yesterday at the residence of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge to discuss about the party's preparations for the upcoming assembly elections in the state of Assam. But soon after that meeting got over, D.K. Shivkumar also had a separate meeting with Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and sources have informed us that not just the power tussle but also the cabinet reshuffle was also being discussed. On one side, there is this meeting which had taken place between the two leaders. On the other side, there was a separate meeting which was being held at 10 Janpath between Rahul Gandhi and KJ George, who is the another Karnataka minister, as it is being believed that KJ George has also apprised about the political situation in the state of Karnataka to Rahul Gandhi, as he is considered to be very close to the party high command, and that is the only reason why he was also being asked about what all is basically happening there, as how much there is a need for a cabinet reshuffle in that particular state. So all of these discussions had taken place both at 10 Janpath as well as 10 Rajaji Marg between the state leaders and the Congress High Command. So it will be really interesting to see that whether the party will now take a final call regarding any changes within the state leadership, or Mr. Siddaramaiah is going to continue, or what kind of cabinet reshuffle is also going to take place. Soon it can be seen that whether any kind of another round of meeting will be called by the Congress High Command, where Siddaramaiah will also be present, because in the last meeting which which has taken place in the national capital, it was being clarified on the part of the Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal that there will be several other rounds of talks which are also going to take place before the Congress High Command will take a call regarding this entire matter.
Right. Niyamika, stay with us. Let me go back to Neha as well once again. Neha, you heard the reaction of the Chief Minister also. I mean, the question is that this issue, this power tussle thing has been going on for quite some time in Karnataka. We know about the ambitions of DK Shivkumar, the Deputy CM. Why is the High Command not really, having a meeting with both the top leaders of Karnataka Congress and, fix this whole issue?
Well, for long now, the Karnataka Congress, in fact, has allowed for scope here, for rumor mongering and, for, of course, talks to be held. But despite that, we're seeing the manner in which, of course, the entire issue here has been handled by the High Command. Whenever, in fact, questions are posed either to the Chief Minister or to the Deputy Chief Minister, the only response that comes in from them is that the High Command will be looking into this. But now that, of course, the time has gone by, 2.5 years, supporters of the Deputy Chief Minister also now, of course, pushing for him to be elevated to the post of Chief Minister. What we've seen, of course, is this crucial visit of the
Right.
Delhi and what comes out of this.
All right. Thank you for the moment, Neha, as well as Niyamika, for joining us.